complete. Love how it turned out. The tabletop, so pretty. The video is not doing it justice. Got little supports. We will eventually get some bar stools. But I love all of this extra counter space to be able to work on. And I love the color of this green. We will eventually be painting those the same color, so they won't be two different colors in here. And we haven't decided on hardware yet. And then on the inside, we just need to build some shelving. And then it really will be complete. But that's going to be simple and will be a project for another day. And then I like just having a cutting board on here at all times to quickly cut on for anything, so I don't have to cut on the countertop. With the staining and the epoxy that we've done, Hunter did 2 coats of we did dark walnut stain, and then the epoxy, which is a water base, he applied 4 coats. You can see how shiny it is. You can see the reflection from the cabinets. And then we've just got some distressing on it that I love because it just looks like it's been here for a long time, been used and loved. And it just is perfect. This is a big upgrade from just the kitchen table. Taking the tabletop from that kitchen table, taking it apart, sanding it down, staining it, and then putting the epoxy on it. And then we did just put 2 coats of the green on the cabinets. Really, really, really love how it turned out. Thanks for watching.